Multi-cut hair clipper, heavy-duty motor for exceptional power and no-snag cutting. Features an adjustable taper lever for easy blending and fading. Self-Sharpening Blades. Our clipper cuts through all hair types and stays sharp longer with our precision ground blades instead of traditional stamped blades. At-home haircuts. With our kit you can achieve at-home haircuts with ease. Our colored guards make remembering your favorite haircutting lengths easy. Included accessories: shears, scissors, styling comb, cape, bib, blade oil, cleaning brush, handled storage case, 12 attachment guards from 1/16 to 1, and a blade guard. The brand used by professionals. Wahl clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon barber industry since 1919, featuring self-sharpening precision blades quality construction. Wahl Home Haircutting Kit with colored guards for easy identification. This haircutting kit comes with 20 pieces. Also included is a set of 12 attachment guards from 1/16 to 1. This kit comes with a hard shell for clipper and accessory storage. English and Spanish instructional are included as well as clipper oil, scissors, scissor guards, and elite styling comb and more. Our products are tested with hygienic fiber for cutting performance. Any residual fibers do not affect performance and can be brushed off. There is a possibility if a clipper is jostled in shipment that your clipper can become out of tune. If your clipper sounds loud, has a chatter, or seems not to cut well, it can be easily fixed. Please consult the instruction book on how to fine-tune your clipper in 30 seconds. Product in packaging may not be exactly the same as photo due to continuous improvements to the product. Note: we test our clippers for cutting performance prior to packaging with a hygienic fiber. We do our best to clean the product to remove any testing particles, but it is possible a few may remain. They are not hair and can be simply wiped off. Top reviews from the United States. Met my expectations. Some say the noise level is high. I don't think so. After retiring my Oster Model 6560 Series A of 22 years, this one lived up to my expectations. I really didn't want to buy a new one, but I think 22 years was a good run. Just hope this one can last as long.